Hi, this is Michael Buckoff from BetterTOEFLScores.com. Let's talk about how to fix your grammar for TOEFL speaking. I got 3 quick strategies. Are you struggling with grammar in the TOEFL speaking? You're not alone. In this video, I'll give you 3 fast and effective strategies to fix your grammar so you can score higher without sounding rehearsed or unnatural. So let's get started. Strategy number 1, use simple grammar accurately. Now, you should be using a combination of both simple and advanced grammar. So most students try to sound complex, they end up making mistakes. It's better to be clear and correct than advanced and wrong, but you should try to use advanced grammar, but make sure it's correct. Example, I am studying English since 5 years. That's not good grammar there. I have been studying English for 5 years. So in this case, we're using what's called the present. Notice how we have the present because of have, the perfect because of been, and progressive because of ing. So the present perfect progressive. So the tip, make sure that you can use the present perfect, the past simple, and future tenses correctly. They're very common and they're expected. Strategy number 2, master common sentence patterns. Stick to predictable structures. I prefer because, one reason is that, for example. So get some common sentence patterns. Make sure you can create grammatically correct sentences with those patterns. So practice forming compound and complex sentences correctly. How about this? Although I like studying alone, I sometimes join study groups for harder subjects. Strategy 3, record, transcribe, and correct. Use voice recording tools. Your phone is great. Speak for 45 seconds, transcribe, find grammar errors, rewrite. Then record your improved version. This builds awareness and fluency quickly. You can also use AI for grammar checkers to double check, but the key here is it's better if you can find your grammar errors yourself, you're less likely to make those errors in the future. Fixing grammar for TOEFL speaking doesn't require fancy words. It requires accuracy and control. Use these strategies daily and you will see fast results. Now, if you want expert feedback on your grammar, pronunciation, and score, and so on, join my 99-month speaking and writing feedback service at BetterTOEFLScores.com. You'll get detailed corrections and score breakdowns within 24 hours. And if you like the video, click like and subscribe for more content.